In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert tables in Microsoft Teams. If you want to organize the information more clearly inside a message, adding a table can be a really useful option. Tables help you line up details in rows and columns, which is great for things like schedules, task lists, comparisons, or quick team updates. The good news is that Microsoft Teams makes this fairly simple once you know where to look. To get started, go to Chat in Microsoft Teams. This is where you can open an existing conversation or start a new one, depending on where you want the table to appear. Make sure you're in the chat where you plan to type your message, since the table will be inserted directly into that message area. Next, look at the chat box at the bottom of the conversation. Beside the send icon, click the plus icon. This opens up additional options for building out your message. If you don't usually use the extra tools in Teams, this is an easy area to overlook, so take a second to spot it before moving on. After that, click on Show Formatting Options. This expands the message composer and gives you more editing controls than the basic chat box view. Using the formatting toolbar is helpful whenever you want to create a message that looks more structured and polished, especially if you're sharing information with multiple people. Once the formatting options are visible, click on the three dots. This opens a menu with more tools that aren't shown right away in the main toolbar. In Teams, some features are tucked into this menu to keep the interface cleaner, so if you don't see what you need immediately, the three dots are usually the place to check. From that menu, click on Insert Table. As soon as you do that, Teams will give you a table selection grid. This is where you choose the size of the table you want to add. Now select your desired number of rows and columns. As you move across the grid, you'll be able to preview the table dimensions before inserting it. Pick the layout that best fits the information you want to share. For example, you might want a few columns for categories and several rows for entries, or a simple small table for a quick comparison. Once your table is inserted, you can click into each cell and start typing your content. If you're sending structured information, keeping the table simple and easy to read will make your message much more effective. And that's how to insert tables in Microsoft Teams.